Okay, let's take care of the save and reset. So I'm going to exit out. Let's come in here, double click on reset. I'm going to need this data, customized data set. So let's copy the name of that, customer data set. So back in there, double click on that, and let's use try customer data set dot clear, and there we go. And that is that. Else crash if there's any exceptions. So if there's any exceptions there, and that's going to, let's use a message box. I'm going to say message box dot show, and what I want you to show is going to be that message right there. Okay, that is that taken care of. I'm going to copy that. Copy. Let's go to save. Double click on that, paste that in there for save. In the case of save, I'm going to copy all of this here, and let's go back to save here and paste that in here. And then we also need to just one more. Come in here, copy that and say dot add new, yeah, that is safe, taken care of. Okay, let's copy this again. Come right down here, double click on taking care of save, taking care of that. Let's click on take care of previous, and this one will become, that should be previous, right? So I need this. Let's move previous. Here's my previous again. Yeah. Paste dot move previous. There. Now we want to move next. So next. That will be that move next. Right. Now we want dot add new. Okay, in the case of add new, I'm going to grab all of this. Come down here to add new and paste that in there. Get rid of all of this. Yeah, this ones as well. So that is for dot add new. There we go. Now let's take care of exit. Double click on exit. In the case of exit, add that. There we go. Right. So that's exit taken care of. Now the next one, that will be the cost. All of these buttons are all working now. So the next one will be the cost. Double click on cost, and that will be items. That's an array, really. Item cost. Yeah. Item cost 0 equals convert dot to double, and that's meant to be king. Yeah, king dot text, and how much is that going to be? Let's say 0.75. The next one, I'm just going to copy that. We need about 10 of those. The next one is going to be, that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is carry. The cost, let's make that 0.79, and this one let's say about 4 there, and this is gonna be, I call that's coffee, and this will be what, let's see, the top fourth one, that's Swindon, no, with an N, yeah, that's correct. And next one, I'm gonna call that, I think that is York underscore cream cake. Right, and the cost of that, let's make this up, maybe 69, and this one maybe there. And I'm just going to now speed that up and get back to you guys shortly. Okay guys, those are the lines of codes for the cost. Okay, so if I run it now, so have a good look at it before I run the program. Okay, now let's run it. Right there, we enter some value in there. It's supposed to be the number, how many the end user wants. There, click on cost there. I may have to increase that. Okay, that is it. But supposing I intend to print out the receipt or want to use the calculator, those are not working yet. Okay, so what, let's exit out. The exit works. Alright, but let's check out this reset, and I'm going to enter something in there. Okay, reset, there we go, it's working fine, that's good. Exit, yeah. Alright, so what is left for me to do now? Okay, let's take care of the calculator. I'm going to click here, and what I intend to do is to use one event for all of these. So let's select it all there, and I will now come straight to the properties. Let's select this as well. Come straight to the property, go to events, and in there I'm going to call that, let's say, numbers underscore only. Right, press enter. That one should take us here. That's good. So right in here, I'm going to enter the following lines of codes there. Okay, so have a very good look at those lines of codes for the buttons. Right, in the next one, I'm going to select all of these there, and come right here and just go to the click events. I'm going to call that operators. Operations. Alright, press enter, and there we go. That's where the operations are. Alright, and right there, those are the lines of code for operations. Now the next one is going to, let me go for backspace, and right there, those are the lines of code for my backspace there. Okay, so let's take care of the equals. Double click on equal, and right there guys, from here down here, those are the lines of codes for the equals. Okay, one other thing that's left for me to do would be the clear function. So let's copy that. Let's come in here, double click on this, and paste that in there. Equals. Let's say clear. And might as well use the same thing for just this one as well. Paste. And let's see, we have a first and second number, so in there we can just say second number equals nothing, and clear that second and first number as well. Equals there, and first number too equals clear as well. Right, that's the clear is taken care of. Now let's look at plus minus. Double click on plus minus. In the case of plus minus, I can just say this equals, oh no, that should be equals. I can just say minus 1 multiplied by whatever I have on the text box. There we go. So let's see that. And the plus minus will become as follows. There we go. So let's see. I think that'll be all. So let's try it out before we take care of the rest. Okay, let's try out the calculator. Let's say 7 plus 9 there minus 9. That will be that. Okay, divide by 5 there. That's fine. So that is working. Okay, and we can even print out anything there. Alright, all of those are working. That's fine. So all that is left for us to do now is to take care of the receipt, and the clear is not working for that, but it works for this. Yeah, it's not working for this, so let's include that. So let's double click on reset and write in there. I'm going to say reset, I think it's T, yeah, dot clear. Right, so that is taken care of now. Now what is left for us to do? Okay, we need to take care of the receipt. Right, double click on that and right underneath here, take care of the receipt. Let's say receipt RT dot append text. And what text are we appending? Alright guys, those are the lines of code for the receipt. I'll show it to you. Yeah, there we go. Let's just move it this way so that you can see the rest of the lines of code. There we go guys. I've included that onto the receipt of the cost, or the cost of item. Alright, there. So I'm going to now run it and we'll take it from there. So let's enter items there. Okay, and here we need to enter whatever there, that's name, so now click on that. There we go guys, you see that. So what is left for me to do is just these 4 combo box. Let's take care of those and maybe increase the tax as well. So click on reset. There we go. Right, let's go up there, increase the tax. Where is the tax? No, it's right here. Double click on that and come right here. That's the tax. Maybe make that 2. Right. Okay, that is all of that's taken care of. Now one other thing, these ones. Let's go to nationality. Make sure it's selected. Go to the properties, and here I need. Yeah, okay, so let's select items. I'm just going to paste those in there so we can select those, and the next one is going to be ID type. Student ID. driving license, pilot license, let's say passport, and yeah, that's fine. Now gender, okay, gender, that's just going to be female or male. Right, one other one, room type, that can be single, double, or maybe family size. There, that's it. So let's run it again and see how it looks like. There guys, now enter details in there, yeah, and the name, Paul Parker, address number 3 Hall Road, postcode, mobile number, email address, Parker@gmail, nationality of Parker, Canadian, date of birth 12/12, let's say 99. Parker, let's say Parker is a pilot and is male, room type double, and here let's enter amount, must be pretty hungry, yeah, there we go. There, click on cost, there. That's it guys. So with that, I'm gonna call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoyed and you all have a nice day. Now bye for now. Bye.